Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Jojo.
And this is Shruti.
Price tag. Do you always check the price tag? Oh, yeah. Karma. We check the price
So
tag.
always
Like,
check the price tag. Sometimes, yeah. And
I do.
sometimes, like, it depends on my mood.
Yeah. Sometimes I check the price tag and I'm just like, oh, okay, I didn't see that. Let's walk away. And then sometimes I look at the price tag and I'm like, screw it. I need this. Let's go. Let's go.
Come to mama.
Yes.
Nice.
So we thought we'll do price tag and Kala Bazaar together, but no, we're gonna do just price tag and then Kala Bazaar next time. But let's just
Yes.
get into it. We have 2 tracks left on MYP, and
And this is solo track, right? This is not
solo.
like, yay. Yes.
So let's check it out. Okay, 1, 2, 3, play.
Yo. Check. दीप कलसी के संगीत पे कर्मा तेरा दून का मेरा खून यो हजारों के कपड़े लाखों के जूते ये है रखते अपने पास और जब स्किल्स की हो बात ये बस आंखों से छूते हजारों के कपड़े लाखों के जूते हम भी रखते अपने पास और ना करते इनसे बात ये बस लातों के भूत है एक्सक्यूज मी कपड़ों से ज्यादा बार्स प्राइस्ड आउट सब कुछ महंगा तब भी हम्बल नियत नाइस थी मैं भी बन के रहता इतना ज्यादा आइस्ड आउट खाली चाय भी पीऊं तो fucking nice नंबर 3-2 मैं बूथ में घूट पीकर ट्रूथ स्पीकर इन द बूथ यूट्यूब पे न्यू बीट पर बजूका छूटे कर महसूस थ्रू द स्पीकर तू कूल एज आइस ब्लू बट डूड बी ट्रू हीटर अटूट वजूद लेकर जब टूटता थूकने पर मैं थूकता पीस मेकर परस्यू द न्यू टीचर अब क्यों तुम मुफ्ती के अब क्यों तुम घुटने पे जाऊं शूट पे फूकते हुए माय व्यूज दे रिप्रोड्यूस बिच bow down to penmanship तेरा भला है मान बात legendary feels like Madari Mir Fan Saab यह है example of making it बिना beef के if I'm not taking your name एहसान मान ले ले हजारों के कपड़े लाखों के जूते ये है रखते अपने पास और जब स्किल्स की हो बात ये बस आंखों से छूते हजारों के कपड़े लाखों के जूते हम भी रखते अपने पास और ना करते इनसे बात ये बस लातों के भूत है I see too many losers acting like winners ये क्यों बने खुदा जब है सारे sinners I'm the gene genius and the gene greatness तेरे jeans में नहीं G और a gene fakeness well done आ गए हर दाम वाले रैपर्स ये कपल शोज ये इंस्टाग्राम वाले रैपर्स ये करते कपल शोज फिर अनजान वाले रैपर्स सुबह वायरल से फ्लॉप वाली शाम वाले रैपर्स आई कैन डिस्ट्रॉय यू यू नो मैं आइकॉनिक हूँ तुम्हें मैं मिला पहली बार मुझे आया क्यों नहीं क्लू कि तुम हो टॉक्सिक और फेलियर बस हाइप वाली भूख टीवी पे ऊंची शिटी खबरें हाई पार्टी न्यूज एंड दिस इज मी दिस इज कर्मा दिस इज व्हाट यू कॉल अ नाइस रैप रियलाइज दैट सक्सेस का ऊंचा प्राइस है इजी मिलेगी सरप्राइज देके गायब है इट्स लाइक अ बिच यू हैव गॉट टू पे द प्राइस टैग हजारों के कपड़े लाखों के जूते ये है रखते अपने पास और जब स्किल्स की हो बात ये बस आंखों से छूते हजारों के कपड़े लाखों के जूते हम भी रखते अपने पास और ना करते इनसे बात ये बस लातों के भूत है
Thoughts?
Plenty thoughts. First, I'm so used to a much faster flow from Karma. Right? So in this also, of course, the first half of the song, when he was using the ooh, like the tu, lu, woo, the ooh as the bass thing, and he kind of created the entire verse in a very like a fast flow, but with that hitting point, that was amazing. I don't know what specifically that kind of a flow would be called, but definitely the whole style which he wove around that was really good. Like that was actually like interesting to listen to
Favorite
him go at it
part
like
in
that.
the song. Yeah.
Yeah, right. And then after that, the hook was relatively much slower, and I'm used to like a much faster pace from him. So suddenly, like, it was like, okay. But then also what he was speaking was that this is what actual rap is supposed to be. Not all rap comes only in one certain way, and people are so used to it. And especially, what he was talking about, that everyone has those, like, lakho ke jute and like whatever ke kapde and like all that. So talking about the price tag of everything, and that how everything has a price to pay. So the lyrics were very intelligent. But the pace, because it was not something we're used to, first half hit home. Second half took me a while to come around it. But jo uska music tha, wo bahut acha tha. It's a very listening and a thinking song. You know what I mean? Like, it's not one of those which you just go past and then be like, "Arey haan, okay, yeah, arey bahut achhe baarish the, arey khatam ho gaya." It's one of those that, like, it takes its time to kind of unveil itself. And at least from his voice, one can feel that, it's something that he's really thought about and put in, and then he's talking about it. So I don't know, that's the kind of the sense that I got, that, when you really feel like you got dealt the wrong hand and now you want to put everyone in their place, telling them that, boss, aisa nahi hota hai. This is what the reality of it is. Normally he's so humble. We never hear him actually talking himself up. But in this song, he literally did that. Like, that's what I felt. But what did you feel?
I feel like this song underwhelmed me a little bit because it was saying things I've heard him say in other songs on this album,
Yeah.
So my favorite part, like I said, was that bit where he had that flow. That was nice. And that got me in. So that was in the first verse. But the whole Instagram rappers or I feel like these are lines I have heard in other tracks already on this album. So in that sense, I was like, the content in this Ghana is not giving me something new to go, ooh, haven't heard this before, and I honestly, like, even the lines of the chorus, the hook were not like, I didn't really हजारों के कपड़े लाखों के जूते हम भी रखते अपने पास और ना करते इनसे बात ये बस लातों के भूत हैं it was, I was like, okay, so nice, not loving it.
It was a little bit of a dampener.
So that was nice. And like some of the lines in verse 2, some of the bars, they were really good. Like, I like the one with the gene genius and the gene greatness and tere genes mein nahi G or a G in a fakeness. Like, I like that play there. So I was like, ooh. And then like, there only he said, uske baad fir wo he did aa gaye har daam wale rappers, couple shows, Instagram wale rappers. I was like, so so that happened. And then I like how he ended it. He did that Irfan Khan Madari reference, which it always amuses me how much Bollywood or filmy references he throws in, because he's clearly a film buff. Clearly,
correct. Correct.
He throws them in his songs quite a bit, more than anyone else I've heard.
I kind of like it. You know why? Because at least I'm not a gamer. So and I do watch films. So the gaming references hoti ho to mere matlab samajh hi nahi aati na, because I don't play games. But yahan pe at least samajh aati hai. So like the relatability is there.
Yeah. So that was nice. And then I think I like how can I just say that when Karma says the B word, it kind of throws me off a bit, because I'm like, Karma's a good boy. Karma should not. I'm just kidding, but yeah, whatever. That was I had to say that. And I like the one thing he said. Legendary feels like Madari mein Irfan Saab. Ye hai example of making it bina beef ke. If I'm not taking your name, ehsaan maan le. Ehsaan maan le. So, anywho, a little underwhelmed. Not a favorite on the album for me personally. That's basically it. So I'm looking forward to now seeing Kala Bazaar.
The next one, yes.
Yeah, I think so far my favorite solo of his has been Beat Do. If I had to.
Oh, Beat Do was amazing. Yes.
Yeah. Like that really. So anyway, we will listen to Kala Bazaar and then we'll do an album discussion. But chalo, hope you guys enjoyed this. Check out Miss Bola's website. It's linked below. And all her new audio shows and all her new work is on there now. Check it out.
Yes.
Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.